So you've just received your brand new Monty Monitor and can't wait to get it up and running. So let's go ahead and do that together. Now that you have this awesome box in your hands, what's inside of it and what do you do with it? Inside is a Monty Monitor, a device that transmits the compost data to the Monty Mobile app. Lift your monitor out of the box and pull out the insert to reveal your wireless charger and micro USB cable. Here you'll see the charging pad. Your wireless charger can also be used with a smartphone as well. With the simple USB cable, it must be plugged into a standard wall outlet. To set up charging, plug the pad and cable together like so. There should be a small red light on the pad when it's ready to charge. Your Monty is made out of two main parts. The top, which is the monitor, and the stem that goes into your compost. The stem can be detached from the monitor for charging or cleaning purposes. To charge your Monty, simply place the monitor base onto the pad. There should be a yellow light on the top tip of the monitor. If not, move it around on the pad a bit to ensure that it's centered. Your monitor's battery will last 1 month before needing to be charged again. Now let's get into the techie stuff. Download Monty Mobile on your smartphone for free on Google Play Store, on your Android device, or the App Store on iPhones. This is what it'll look like when you first open your app. Hit Get Started and create an account by adding your name, email, and password. Enter in the verification code that was sent to your email and choose your avatar. After creating your account, you'll be able to look at an introduction to the app and learn what each health metric bubble is for. Click the plus sign to create your compost profile and enter in your postcode, as we use local weather data to improve our analysis based on how it impacts your compost. Enter in what type of setup you have, its size, age, and fullness. After those easy steps, you have now successfully created your compost profile. When you start logging your waste and water, the health metric bubbles will start to show your water, carbon to nitrogen ratio, and oxygen levels. But to start doing that, you will need to set up your weekly waste logging. Click Log Waste and Water and then make one now. Fill in details about your compost and confirm how much waste will go into your compost each week. Click Start Composting and you will be prompted to connect your Monty Monitor to the app. Make sure your Monty has a flashing blue light and your phone's Bluetooth is on. You will need to be within at least 10 meters of your Monty to do this. Give your Monty a name and you have now successfully paired your Monty Monitor to the Monty Mobile app. In the top left-hand corner, you'll be able to see the battery life of your monitor. If your monitor drops below 10%, you'll get a notification to charge your device. Now you can start logging your waste and start to see your compost data. If your weekly waste changes, don't worry. You can easily modify this through the app by clicking the profile icon, scrolling down to the bottom, and making any changes that you need. Monty Mobile has a range of different pages and features you can take a look at. Now that you've reached the end of the video, you're now a Monty expert and can go ahead and place your Monty Monitor into your compost.